Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make Zinger Burger. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's know how to make this delicious burger at home. And first I'm going to take two chicken breast pieces, and with that I'm going to cut it into a half with the help of a knife. Now take one half and cut it into two parts. From the center of it, you can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. That would be much recommended. Now after this, we are going to take a hammer and we're going to hammer it with the help of it. Now I am going to place a cling sheet over it and hammer it for 30 seconds. And after that, we are going to place it aside into a separate bowl. So I have taken a separate bowl and I'm going to place all of the breast pieces which I have hammered before, and now I am going to add ginger paste. With that I'm going to add salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder, about half teaspoon. With that I'm adding white pepper powder and chili sauce, about 1 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, and mix all these ingredients quite well with the help of your hand by wearing gloves. Now in a separate bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now moving towards the next thing, I'm adding corn flour. With that I'm adding baking powder, red chili powder half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, and mix all these ingredients quite well. While I am mixing all these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it and you will be updated on the latest videos on the first go. Coat the chicken pieces with this mixture properly, and after coating it properly, we are going to coat it with the help of a water, dip it into a water, and for that I'm gonna take water into a separate bowl or separate plate, dip it for 3 to 4 seconds in chilled water, and after that take it out and coat it again. Now coat it again properly, and once it's done, then we are going to place it aside. You can see the way I am coating it, just do it that way. If you're not comfortable doing it with your hands, you can wear gloves as well. Now we are going to deep fry it unless until it turns out to be golden and brown and as well as crispy. So I place the chicken into a hot oil and I'm going to fry it unless until it turns out to be golden brown and crispy. I am going to flip it so that each side is cooked and fried well. Now with the help of a strainer, I am going to take it out so that all the excessive oil stays in the pan and place it into a separate plate. Brush oil on a pan and then toast the bun until it's light brown. And after that, we are going to take it out of the pan. As you can see, these has turned out to be light brown. We're going to place it into a separate plate and we are going to apply some of the sauces onto the base of the buns. And after applying sauces, I'm going to add lettuce, and after that I'm going to add crispy chicken. With that I have added cheese and I have placed the top part of the bun onto it. And our burger is completely ready to be eaten. I hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really like it. Share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.